Dear viewers, today I'm gonna show you how you can format your USB flash drive or memory card. To do this, first we have to connect the USB flash drive with your PC or laptop. If you have memory card, then you have to use card reader to do the thing. That means to connect with PC or laptop. I have a pen drive, so I am connecting it with my PC. Yes, that's it. Removable disk K. Let's check it. Go to my computer. Then you can easily format it in Windows operating system. Just click a checkbox on quick format and start, then yes. This is the easiest way to format your pen drive or memory card, but sometimes a kind of sentence will appear: Windows was unable to complete the format. You can see this, it's easily formatted, but sometimes you can see such kind of message. Then what have to do? Let's see this. You have to follow the process carefully. First click on the start button, then type CMD, that means command prompt. Yes, it's CMD. Now click on the right button of your mouse and click on run as administrator. Then you can see user account control. Click on yes. Then you can see the administrator window. Now we have to type Diskpart, DISKPART, then press enter. Then you have to type list disk, LIST space DISK, then press enter. Here is the list of disk that you have in your PC or laptop. Disk 0 is my hard drive and disk 1 is my pen drive, but you have to select it carefully. So now let's check it if it is. Go to the properties of your let's go to my properties of my pen drive. Yes, it's 14 GB. That means it's the disk that we are working on it. Now we have to type select disk 1, SELECT space DISK disk space 1. That means my pen drive that I am working on it is 14 GB. Then press on enter. When you have problems in your pen drive, you can the space will show less than the size of your drive. Now disk 1 is now selected. Now type clean, CLEAN, clean. Diskpart succeeded in cleaning the disk. Now you have to type create partition primary, CREATE, create space, sorry for that, create space partition, PARTITION, partition space PRIMARY, create partition primary. Then press enter. Diskpart succeeded in creating the specified partition. Now you have to type format, FORMAT, format space FS equal NTFS space quick. You have to type the same file system as noted. It's NTFS big letter, but here, sorry again, but in my flash drive it's not, the file system is not NTFS, it's on FAT32. You have to use same file system to complete the format. You cannot use different file system, it can be corrupted. So QUICK, quick. So I shouldn't type NTFS, I should type FAT32. That means the file system in my pen drive. Okay, let's type FS equal FAT, big letter FAT 32 space QUICK, quick. Okay, I am using same file system that in my flash drive. Then press enter. 0% completed. It will take it a bit of time to complete. Okay, 100% completed. Diskpart successfully formatted the volume. That means my volume has been formatted. Now we have to exit the directory. First type assign, ASSIGN, assign. Diskpart successfully assigned the drive letter or mount point. That means drive letter has been changed. Now we have to exit the directory, administrator window, type exit EXIT, then press enter. Again type EXIT, exit, then press enter. Our work has been done. Drive letter has been changed. It's from the removable disk K to disk J. You can see the folder is empty. That means my pen drive or flash drive has been formatted. Yes, it's 14 GB and file system is FAT32. You can format your pen drive or flash drive by using this process, but remember, you cannot use this process in raw format. I repeat, if your pen drive or memory card is in raw format, this process will not work. If you get benefited from this video, then you can share it with others. No more today. Thank you all for watching the video. Goodbye.